guess it's time to harvest my peas, and I have to do it right this second. Learn from the internet is that if you give your pea a little squeeze and there's room, then it is not ready to harvest. You can also hold it up to the light to see if there are peas inside, and that will tell you if it's ready to harvest. Both of these methods did not work for me though, as at 0 point did they ever have any type of squeeze. And they have not proven to be transparent, so holding them up to the light has not been successful. But the consensus is these are ready to harvest, so harvest we will. Will not make the mistake of leaving these on the vine for too long, allowing them to go to seed, and then not having the joy of eating my peas. We already made that mistake with our carrots, and we will not be repeating that gardening failure, hopefully ever again. And I'm not gonna lie to you, I got really into recording this video, which is unlike me. So here's a detailed analysis of each and every single one of these peas.
I hope you enjoy.
So let's see how many peas are in here. One pea. Because the last pod opened when I was doing this, I figured people wouldn't believe me that there was nothing in them. So here's one in the tip there. 2, 3. Okay, so this one actually has them. It was a lot thinner too. That's surprising. I'm literally just destroying this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A good pea pod. Okay, this one looks like it might just have 2. Let's see. I don't know why this has become so fun. I could just eat them, but this has been really entertaining. 4. Okay, this is one of the fatter ones. Definitely has pea pods in it. Woo! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That was a good one. Let's see how it tastes when it's really big. This one doesn't have a lot of flavor actually. It's pretty watered down. Which I mean, makes sense because it's so large. It's probably just all water. I don't know. So this one actually is translucent. We can see that there are peas in here, but they're not very big. I guess supposedly with snap peas though, it's not about peas. I don't know. Look at how teeny tiny. There's a lot in there. So I guess it's just really that first one that didn't have any peas, and it opened off camera, so none of you are gonna believe me. So that last one tasted really kind of bitter. I definitely think it could have stayed on longer. This one's really big. I can see some of the peas in there. I'm gonna guess 5. Oh, this one doesn't even want to open. It's so ready. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a little itty bitty one, so it is 5. All right, let's see how this one tastes. Okay, this one is very sweet. So I'm thinking I like them when they start to look more like a log rather than a canoe.